हे जे दोग जण जीबीपीचे निवडून आयल्या तांकां हे लागना तातूंत एक मनीस निवडून फुडले असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाक उबे रावपाचे कॅन्डिडेट आहा ताका ते लागचे ना ते जिल्ला 2 ना चेअरपर्सन जाल्ले आहा ते परते वचून तेच घेवन रावतले आणि कितें सरकार बरो आहा म्हणून समजतले
प्रमोद बाब one more important factor you must understand this why are all these Jilla people going towards the government what he has said simple reason is if anybody else forms it, if Vijay tomorrow takes responsibility and forms it, they will not give them any powers and the whole blame will come on Vijay. So this is the game of keeping the powers to be given after the elections is the biggest horse trading that they are using now. And not only official this is where
what happens if Nelly and Fatima Gaonkar declare themselves as independent and not GVP candidates. There is no anti-defection law.
फातिमा बोरकार पळय फातिमा गांवकार आसा तिने सकाळी सांगले की जीव्हीपीच्या हाजेर रावनूच आपण नुकसान करून घेतले कित्याक जर इंडिपेंडंट राविल्ले 1000 तर मत पडटले आशिल्ले आता न्यायालय जे आसात न्यायालय कांयच उलयना पूण न्यायालय कित्याक हा सगळ्या ओपोजिशनांनी ताका सपोर्ट केला आनी सांग ओपन केला जो मिकीचेर पळय जेन्ना कोर्टान केस घाली तो कलबट आनी ताका ग्रूप तांणी न्यायालयाक सपोर्ट केलो आनी अशे वेळाचेर न्यायालय कितें म्हणटालें आपूण तुमच्या हाजेर आयला आपूण आयला आपल्या तुमची हें करात कोण 4% करात आता जाता पळय कितें ही पाडसावळी कुंवाळी पळय जे आसात न्ही प्रमोद बाब पाडसावळी कुंवाळी पळय जे आसात न्ही ते ह्याय वाटेन वयतले त्याय वाटेन वतले म्हणजे हें तुका स्थिर अशें गव्हर्नमेंट जावचें ना
पार्टी लायन्स करून कितें फायदो
न्ही पार्टी लागले पार्टीक पळय हातूंत जर पळोवपा वचत म्हणजे बारीक जर विचार केलो पार्टीन म्हणजे कोणी आसूं जी बीजेपी आसूं एमजीपी आसूं
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटात की मिकी बाब लायनीर आमचेर एकाच मिनटात तुमची मारा येता म्हजो आवाज आयकूं येता
ना आयकूं येना
आयकता
आयकूं येता
ओके वॉट इज युअर रिएक्शन तुमचे जितलो एक्सपेक्टेड आशिल्लो तितलो रिजल्ट सालसेती भितर मेळ्ळा
म्हाका हांवें 4 सीट कॉन्टेस्ट केल्ली तितून म्हाका 50% म्हाका मेवली 2 जिखले आमी 2 हारले बट सी यू गॉट टू अंडरस्टँड if Miki Pashigo would gone alone single my party I would have gone beyond what I am supposed to.
So getting into alliance with the BJP was a mistake.
It is not a mistake. See, you got to understand prior to the election there are so many issues and people Catholic dominated area have been heard such statement made by those VHP in Fatwa against Mother Teresa, the beef issue, the Delhi church issue, the nun who's been raped 70 years old, nun been raped in
West
Bengal, that issue. Okay, you got to understand Gauravasti issue, then the Haryana church, they took our statue and they kept their statue, that issue.
Correct.
There is all this issue impact.
So तुम्ही म्हणतात की तुम्ही जर इंडिपेंडेंटली गेल्ले you would have performed much better.
I would perform much better, but then you got to understand, we are committed for this government for these 5 years. We are supporting this government and this is a government decision. Every party got the opportunity to go along with, with the party line. And I felt it is nice. There's nothing bad about it. Because every election comes, every party, I mean, even the Zilla Panchayat, maybe Panchayat election, all this Congress also, what did they used to do? They used to say that's Congress candidate, and they used to support. This time, at least this government had given opportunity to all the party to go on party line. And I'm happy about it. But what happened beginning of this, campaigning of the Zilla Parishad election, is all these issues prop up together.
बरोबर.
And therefore it is in fact.
म्हाका एक बोवाळ चल्ला की खंय तरी तुमचे जे दोगी जाण निवडून आयल्यान ती सुद्धा सांगतात की आमी जर अलायन्सा भितर नाशिल्ली जाल्यार आमकां चड मत पडपाची वी आर ऑल्सो इंडिपेंडंट म्हणून इज दॅट ट्रू
सारखे आनी चड मतां पडपाची आनी 2 आमचे पिटर जाल्यार ते येवपाचे. But there was an issue. You got to understand there are religious leaders also start making issue indirectly. They start calling the Samudaya people. They're telling these people who not to support, who supporting with BJP. There are summons been made in the chapels.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात, नेली बाय इज अ ZP chairperson for South Goa from last term and before that also.
Right.
Will you press, because your alliance is getting simple majority in South, will you press for ZP chairmanship in South?
No, I don't want to comment on that. See, we just still the election counting is going on, and see, last time I made a demand and got chairmanship. You know, there are so many, so many things we have to sit and discuss. I will certainly, when I got two and others who also, alliance partner got also, they are elected members, and BJP also, we have to sit across and discuss in detail.
Is there any possibility, फाल्यां जर एक non-BJP combination form जाता Southak, is there any possibility that you are candidates going there?
It is not possible because I also got two independent, supporting me.
You have also got two more independents supporting you.
Yeah.
So you are saying you are actual.
I don't find that independent going to get together and forming their side. That is out of question because I know how it goes and I already in touch with. There are two of them in touch with me.
Two of them are in touch. So you have 4 ZP members right now.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Mickey. Because this is a very crucial.
I can make this time come. Okay, I can make even another two. If I was given an opportunity, okay, I will certainly get another 2 also.
You are ready to get
4 independents.
You are ready to get 4 independents.
Yes.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mickey. This is a very important.
This clearly shows.
मागे एक गजाल सांगात की he major thing is he is accepting that if there was no alliance, he would have got more votes. And he is saying he has 4 ZP members.
See, he has made it very clear that the sentiments of the community, Christian community, has been hurt. And after that, after doing that, the man continues to remain with that party that continues to hurt him. Is a simple thing that he is sitting there in power along with the looting alliance. To just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Another thing is this announcement of these 2 people, Nelly and
they haven't announced. We don't have any formal communication.
They don't have. If it is true, but one thing, they don't have to announce. They are independent. They are not going to common symbol. You are calling them GVP because they are under Mickey. They are not allowing Mickey to bargain for them. They will be doing directly bargaining. So Mickey's position is by saying that he's got another 2. He's trying to show his 2 that don't go anywhere. I will bargain for you all. At the same time, he cannot give a commitment that he is going to support Delhi. The moment he says he has to support Delhi, his ministry will go.
How are you analyzing? This is a very tricky statement from Mickey Pacheco. Very tricky. तुम्ही कशी अनालाइज करा? तुम्ही बरे ओळखता.
नाही हातू म्हणजे कितें सांगू पळय हे 2 जाले तेगेले आनी तो 2 पळय म्हणटा न्ही तेगेले गणित सारकें आसता.
हां सारकें.
नावेली आनी हातू पळय आसा नावेली बाणावली आनी वेळडी हे आता कायतूच्या अगेन्स्ट काम करपी सुद्दां मिकी आसा आनी चर्ची दोगे जाण एक जाण तो हाडपाचो यत्न केल्लो. आता बेंजामिनाचो पडलो आनी नावेली ताणें ह्या का दुसऱ्याक सीट दी मागिल्लो पूण ताणें तो दिलो ना. म्हण हे जे 4 जे सीट पळय तो म्हणटा ते मिकी बरोबर येवपाची शक्यता आसा.
सो हे 4 जे मिकी म्हणटा ते मिकीचेच 4 जाण.
हय हय आसा.
ते मिकीची उतरां भायर वच्ची ना.
हय
इतलें. How are you analyzing this tricky statement? I will go to Datta Prasad in the end, but this is becoming very tricky right now.
He is trying to make it into auction of mackerels. तो कितें बांगड्याची पावणी करूंक सोदता. तो मिनिस्टर काय तो बांगड्याची पावणी करपी ते चॅक करचें पडटलें. आनी ताणें जें त्राजनान म्हणलां तें सारकें. आपले मनशाचो व्हॅल्यू डावन करून तो ताका घट दवरूंक सोदता. भायले आहा म्हण सांगून भायलो आहा ताका तर आमी कितें दिता. फाल्यां जो शिप्रूचें नांव घेता शिप्रूक जर आमी कोणें दिलें जाल्यार तो ताजें आयकता. कोण कोणाचें आयकना. हांगा ते आतां ओपनली थ्रू प्रुडंट ते एक पावणी बांगड्याची सुरवात करूंक सोदतात. आनी ही पावणी जावची न्ही.
कांयच सहभाग ना इतलें क्लियर करता ह्या पावणेन.
हे पावणेन आमी सहभागी जावचे न्ही. आमी एकूच पळोवपाक जाय दीस पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ कन्व्हिनियन्स. This is clear cut, nothing on principles, no ideology. They are criticizing BJP, yet they want to sleep with the enemy. This is the enemy of the people of Goa.
Okay.
Whoever secular ethos. जे घर वापसी करपाक तयार आसतले असले मनीस आहे. जे फाल्यां आपले मिनिस्टरियल पोझिशन राखपा खातीर बीजेपी बरोबर दीस काडपाक तयार आहा. जे आपल्या लोकांक विसरून बीजेपी बरोबर रावल्या आणि काँग्रेसीन तांकां एक्सपोज करू ना म्हणून ते दोग जाण जे आयले ना ते पडपाचे कॉमन कॅन्डिडेट घाल्लो तेच जिखले
बरें हय आय थिंक आय शूड सेलिब्रेट की आमचे साऊथ गोवा करंट स्टेटसाचेर आमची झेडपी फॉर्म जाल्ली आहा.
So you should, you are saying you are
I think we should celebrate for that.
No, for South Goa, you should
South
celebrate.
Goa we should definitely celebrate.
But you should also said that Mickey is saying that if I was not with the BJP, I would have got more seats, more votes.
He has not said if he was not with the BJP. He has said these are the issues. If these issues was not there, if these issues were not there, जाल्यार एक probably चड votes पडपाच्यो आणि that even I am saying. राजन बाबान सुद्दां कितें म्हणलें तें म्हाकाच म्हज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आय कुड सी अ स्वीप ऑफ 510 votes एक्झॅक्टली इन द कॅथलिक डॉमिनेटेड बूथ लीड आय एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट लीड टू द बाबूश बॅक कॅन्डिडेट आनी डेफिनेटली हे जे इश्यूज आसा इट हॅज डेफिनेटली हर्ट द सेंटिमेंट्स बट वी आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दॅट. हे आनीक मोठे कितें केल्लें आसा तें आमचेर हे परते परते बोवाळ घालून आमचेर घालता. बीजेपी हॅज नॉट डन आयकून घे मागीर तूं उलय.
विश्व हिंदू परिषदाचो प्रोग्राम जालो विष्णू वाघ आणि प्रमोद सावंत ते आशिल्ले यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल. आज विष्णू
बीजेपी एमएलए एंडोर्स
What BJP got to do in West Bengal? I'll tell you what they got to do.
बीजेपीचे कितें काम आहे वेस्ट बेंगॉल?
Datta Prasad Bab,
सांग म्हाका.
please understand, an elected representative has to behave responsibility. When an organization, all India is creating communal tension, you go there, sit down there, extend support to them. That means the BJP.
When Vishnu went over there,
Please understand the
that program
strategy.
was not for Garba.
The strategy of
VHP तो एक प्रोग्राम है.
My dear brother, please don't around.
They have not endorsed it.
The
What is happening over there?
Please understand.
Please, Vishnu Wag and Pramod Sawant has not
Keep them
endorsed
aside.
what has happened.
Keep them aside.
दुसरे वेस्ट बेंगॉलाचो जो तू विषय काढता वेस्ट बेंगॉलात ममता बॅनर्जीक विचार मारता आमकां कित्याक विचारता.
एकच मिनिट राजन बाब म्हाका आनी एक अपडेट आयल्या हांव लौकिका येता विल कम बॅक टू दीस डिबेट. हांव लौकिका घेता आनी परत येता. लौकिक म्हजो आवाज आयकता?
हाय प्रमोद.
ओके व्हॉट इज द लेटेस्ट अपडेट?
लेटेस्ट अपडेट उत्तर गोंयचे नॉर्थ गोवा सगळे सीट जाले.
ओके
चीफ मिनिस्टर पार्सेकरान म्हणिल्ले तशे रमेश सावळ बीजेपीचो चडशे जिखला. लास्ट 2-3 बुथांचेर तेणी एकदम लीड घेवन ज्ञानेश्वर परब जो पयलीं 300-400 मतांनी लीड आसलो ताका फाटी घालून तो जिखला. रमेश सावळ भाजपाचो कॅन्डिडेट चडशे जिखलो. सो आता टोटल फायनल फिगर वता बीजेपी 11, एमजीपी 1, टोटल युतीचे जाले 12 आणि इंडिपेंडंट 13. ऍब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी नॉर्थाक ह्या युतीक ना. पण जसे सीसीपी कडे बाबुशान सेटिंग केला आणि युती करून त्यांचे हे हाडला मेयर हाडला मागीर आपलो डेप्युटी मेयर केला तसे हे दोन्ही सीट जे बाबुशान तालिगांव आणि सांताक्रूज जिखल्यात ते जर हांगासर तशेंच हितून वयता ते फॉर्मेटांतल्यान वयता जाल्यार बीजेपी चॅनल ऑटोमॅटिकली जातले. आणि सुदीन म्हणटा तसो जशी मांद्रेकार श्रीमती मांद्रेकाराक कडे आपण उलयतलो म्हटला हे सगळे बीजेपी वटेन येत जाल्यार बीजेपी 15 भायर पावतली. पण एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी जी युतीक जाय आसली ती मेळना. थंय बीजेपी वा ही युती कमी पडल्या.
ओके थँक्स अ लॉट लौकिक. सावथाचो फायनल रिजल्ट जाले की आमी परत येता तुजे म्हऱ्यान. विजय सो बीजेपी नीड्स बाबूश इन नॉर्थ अँड सुदीन इन साउथ टू फॉर्म ZP.
Yes. BJP needs so many. But whether BJP's people are with BJP, see there are so many questions. Once you start this game, this can go any which way. And finally we have to understand that we are talking of a period of 1 year. जो 1 वर्षाचे फुडें राजकारण विचार करतलो तो आपण बांगडो जावपाक तयार जावचो ना की आपले तातून पावणेर उबो रावपाक he won't be a candidate for a पावणी. So I feel that people who have got some foresight already have the foresight that BJP is a sinking ship and should behave accordingly. They should not get themselves to be bought and sold for a loss.
मेन गजाल राजन बाब म्हणटा
बीजेपीचे हातून लॉस जाल्ले आसा. ज्या पळय एमजीची लॉस जाल्ला तशें पळयल्यार बीजेपीचे चड लॉस जाला. जितले कॅन्डिडेट दवरल्या पर्संटेजी प्रमाण बीजेपीचे व्हडले कॅन्डिडेट हांगा येवना.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात तुजे राजन बाब आनी विजय म्हणटा की काँग्रेस शूड टेक अ लीड एज प्रिंसिपल ओपोजिशन पार्टी. Will you take that lead at least now after seeing these results? But it is neck to neck. It is not a wave that is giving BJP lead.